Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've seen my last video on Gratitude Made Easy, you already know how powerful gratitude journaling can be for improving your mindset and overall well-being. In today's video, I'm going to help you take that practice even further by sharing some specific gratitude journaling prompts you can use daily or whenever you need a boost. These prompts are designed to help you reflect more deeply, spark inspiration, and keep your gratitude practice fresh and exciting. You might be wondering, why should I use prompts instead of just writing whatever comes to mind? Well, prompts give your journaling practice structure and direction. They help you uncover aspects of your life that you may not typically think about. Sometimes when we sit down to journal, it's easy to get stuck or feel repetitive. That's where prompts come in. They guide your thoughts and open up new areas of gratitude you may not have considered. They're also great for those days when you feel uninspired or unsure of what to write. Let's start with some simple daily reflection prompts that are perfect for your morning or evening journaling session. What are 3 things that went well for me today? This is a great way to focus on the positives, no matter how small. It could be something as simple as enjoying a good meal or completing a task you've been putting off. Who is someone I'm grateful for and why? This prompt encourages you to think about people in your life who bring you joy or support and what exactly it is about them that you appreciate. It's easy to take relationships for granted, so this is a powerful way to cultivate more appreciation for the people who matter. Next, let's dive into some prompts that help you reflect on personal growth and learning. What is something I often take for granted but am truly thankful for? This prompt invites you to look at things you usually overlook, like your health, a safe place to live, or even just having clean water. It's a great reminder of how much we already have. What is a challenge I've faced that has taught me something valuable? Gratitude isn't just about the good times. It's also about recognizing the lessons in our struggles. Reflecting on this can help you see how much you've grown through tough times. Here are a couple of prompts that focus on finding joy in the little things and looking forward with positivity. What small pleasures in life bring me joy? This could be anything from the smell of fresh coffee in the morning to the feeling of sunshine on your skin. It's about appreciating the little moments that make life sweeter. What future moments am I looking forward to and why? This prompt shifts your gratitude toward the future. It's a powerful way to bring hope and excitement into your journaling by thinking about things like upcoming events, goals you're working toward, or dreams you're eager to achieve. Now it's your turn. I'd love for you to pick one of these prompts and journal about it. Feel free to pause the video here and take a few minutes to write. And once you're done, drop your response in the comments below. I'd love to read how these prompts helped you find new gratitude in your life. These prompts are just the beginning. Whether you're new to gratitude journaling or have been doing it for a while, I hope these ideas inspire you to keep going. Remember, gratitude is a practice, and the more intentional you are with it, the more benefits you'll see in your life. I'd love to hear which prompt resonated with you the most, so don't forget to share in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. I've got some exciting videos lined up about personal growth, mindset, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.